Check this out.
Okay.
I look good.
Okay. On the street and I got my swag on. Okay.
Alright guys, so we're gonna go on this place. We're gonna try this out. That's called All Ups.
Wow.
And yeah, gonna try it out. And of course, wearing my beautiful collection. Asics head to toe. Hi guys! Hi guys! Mag-hi ka kasi! Oh. Ah, ang konting run lang yun. Napagod tuloy ako. Pupunta kami doon sa mataas. Ha? So, sabi ni Kuya, yung lugar daw na ito is tinatawag na High City. Ayon. And then, maraming ang kainan sa matataas na bundok na yan. Ayun o. Sige na, mag-picture daw sa High City, si Monchi. Naka 10,000 steps na yata ako. Ay, stairs pala. Okay. It's typically hiking. So it's kind of Calves challenging mall or a place to go to. But look, there's a lot of choices of restaurants. Sino hinihingal? Si Gab. Kumain ka kasi ng marami. Ayan. Ayun. Sarwat Hall, Sarwat Hotel. So it's a beautiful place to go to in Abha. Tadaan! There's a gaming station, beauty, perfume, and everything you can find it here. Coffee and shopping. Yeah. Walking on a high city. Look at that. Napakaganda nga naman dito sa High City, whereas makikita mo ang panoramic view ng buong Abha, especially these night lights. This is one of the city's top attraction. At dahil nga mataas ang lugar na ito, it is giving a two pleasant climate with two rainy seasons, one on springs and one on summer monsoon. Ma-enjoy mo talaga ang pagbisita dito dahil nga marami kang pagpipilian ng cafes, restaurant, and this place is really ideal for families. This man-made waterfalls is really giving. Nakaka-relax talaga yung tunog ng tubig. Imagine the vibes of having your coffee while enjoying the scenery or the view. Inikot ko talaga ang buong corner ng coffee shop para naman makita nating lahat kung ano talaga yung view dito. Tingnan mo naman, ang ganda-ganda. Sobrang nakaka-vibey, nakakaganda at nakaka-relax. Alright, tonight I have a special guest and his name is
Gabriel.
His name is Gabriel. Gabriel, I saw you dance. What is your secret? How you do a very good dance like that?
Practice.
How come you dance like that? Very good, very smooth, very energetic, and just really just flowing.
At home.
You're what?
I practice it at home.
And what can you advise to your fans? People likes you, how you dance, and they adore you how you dance.
Do they know I dance?
They saw you. They saw you on TikTok.
Oh.
Yes. Yes. Share them your secret. Share them your secret how to dance.
I just practice it.
Gab just practice it, so you know what to do, guys. Pagkatapos nga ng interview ko kay Gab, timing na timing naman talaga ang pasok ng inaantay din namin. Dahil nga malamig ang panahon at may kasama kaming mga bata, bawal kaming magkasakit. Kaya lumipat kami sa loob ng cafe at nakakuha din kami ng magandang pwesto. Dito ay makikita mo ang ibang establishments ng High City. At rinig mo rin ang agos ng tubig na nakaka-relax. At dahil nga mataas ang level ng cafe na ito, ramdam mo talaga ang lamig ng fog. At ako'y tuwang-tuwa sa aking nakikita at nararamdaman. Isa talaga ito sa pinaka-main attraction dito sa High City. At talaga namang dinadayo pa ng mga tourists. Nakakatuwa naman talaga ang ganitong experience, lalo na't mainit na mainit ngayon sa Jeddah. Kaya hindi talaga namin pinalampas ang moment na to. Hindi lang talaga pinapahalata, pero lamig na lamig kami.
I've been bored of the game. Nobody worthy of my pretty name. You've got something that I need. I wanted you to be my ecstasy.
kami ng magdamag doon at nagsarado na rin ang coffee shop. Talagang tinodo na lang namin ang oras namin doon habang may chance pa kami, an opportunity to enjoy the moment. Pero, eto na nga yun. Sobrang nag-enjoy kami sa night na to at dito ko na tinatapos ang aking vlog. I hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share for more. Maraming salamat. Love you all. Bye!